Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your website performance with GoDaddy. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your website performance with GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your product page. Find the website you want to improve and click on Manage. In the dashboard, look for the Performance section. Click on the Optimize option. Here, you will find various tools to enhance your site. Consider enabling the Website Performance feature. This tool assists in speeding up page loading times. Next, check out the security options available. Ensure you enable SSL for secure connections. This not only protects your site but also boosts SEO rankings. After security, explore the backup options. Regular backups can prevent data loss during upgrades. Then, head to the marketing section. Utilize GoDaddy's SEO tools to optimize your content. Look for recommended keywords and incorporate them into your site. Next, review the analytics area. This will help you understand user behavior and site performance. Monitor metrics like bounce rate and average session duration. If necessary, adjust your content based on this data. Finally, consider upgrading your hosting plan if you experience high traffic. A better hosting plan can significantly enhance performance. Once you've made these changes, regularly review your site's performance. Keep your content fresh and updated for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.